Hello friends, we are here to see assembly process of one of our Diwali special lamp which is called Pentagon. So what you get inside package is these set of clips, one top plate, 5 small Pentagon plates and 5 large Pentagon plates. So first we'll keep this aside. There are extra clips which are provided with this package, considering people might not, or any of these clip get broken. So take these clips aside, take one clip set, just remove these clips. Okay, so you have 5 clips ready. Take the top plate. Notice there is a slot in this clip. Align this slot with the slot of top plate and gently push it like this only. Take the next clip. Repeat the same process. Push. Align. Push. Align. Push. Keep it straight. If you tilt it or something, you'll break the clip. Be careful while inserting it. Just apply little bit of pressure and click it get inserted. Take the top plate. There is a slot on top side. Align this slot with this clip, bottom side of the clip, and just push. You have your slot and the ready. Take the next plate, align, push. Next plate, align and push. Make sure you apply the force in the direction of slot. If you twist it or something, you'll end up breaking the clip. Align and slot. Press. Next, align and press. Take the next set of clip. 2, 3, 4, 5. There are next slots on the side of the plate. Just take it like this. Align and push. Next plate, align and push. Like this. I am being very gentle with this, so you should also do it very gently. Hold the clip like this and slightly push it like this. Align and push. Next plate, align and push. Next plate, align, push, align and push it like this. Just push. Next clip, align and push, align with its slot and push. You have 70% of the lamp ready. See, it will be like this. Now move to the next set of clip. Take this clip. Okay. Okay. So now take it, hold it like this. There are 2 slots on the bottom. Take your clip. All the clips are identical, so no need to remember which clips goes on which side. Take it like this and just align and push, align and push. Align If anyone know the geometrical name of this shape, he can mention in the comment. I know its geometrical name, but let's see who knows the geometrical name of this shape. If you have any doubt, any queries related to it, you can mention in the comment box. And if you like our effort, if you like the lamp, please don't forget to like the button so that we will know that you liked the lamp. Or if you want to stay tuned to our future projects, future products, you can hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon. Now we have inserted all the clips on the bottom. Now on the smaller plates there are 2 slots on the top side which goes with these 2 slots. Just repeat the same thing, align and press, align, pull it little bit backwards, align and press. It will click into its click is a sound of assurance that you have inserted the right clip. Take the next clip. I'll get all these clips out. It's very simple. You don't have to worry about anything. Just align it, the slots with its respective clip like this. Hope you can see it. Pull it little bit outwards and then hold the clip from here and push. All you have to do is push. Pull it outward, align with the slot and push. Like the next clip. Orange piece. Sorry, green piece. Align with the slot. Push. Pull it outward, align with the slot and push. Pull it outward, align with the slot and push. It will fall into its place. Next clip, next plate, align and push, align and push, align and push. So notice there is a next slot, empty slot with a clip. Just add the additional clip like this. Okay. So you have your last plate. Just repeat the same thing, align and push. When you hear the click, it means it inserted completely. Click, backwards and align and push. Pull it backwards, align and push. Okay, you have your lamp ready. This is how it looks. For inserting bulb, you can put your holder from this side and insert your bulb from bottom. So you have your lamp ready. Hope you like it. It's one of my favorite. Looks tedious, but it's not. It's very easy. All the clips are identical. Don't have to worry about the clips. Just make sure you don't apply too much of a pressure. If the clip is not inserting into the slot, make sure it align it properly and then push it inwards. Pull the plate outward so that you align with the clip. Don't apply the force in the opposite side, like so that you don't end up breaking the clip. Even if you break the clip, we have provided the additional clips along, so don't have to worry about it. If you want to keep it permanent, you can add any glue to the joints so it will be permanent. If you want to remove the whole thing, you can remove the whole thing and pack it for the next year. So if that is what you like, and that is the beauty of the product. If you like our product, please hit the like button. If you want to stay tuned to our series, to our products, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that if we add any new product, you get the notification. Any doubts you can add in comment section, and the purchase link will be given in the description section. Thank you very much. Happy Diwali.